Hi, welcome to the third video of factoring. This time we're going to factoring by grouping. So if they give us a trinomial in the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, we're going to factor it by grouping. There's 6 steps to follow. So we're gonna list the factor of ac. If you remember the cross we did for last section, we can use that again. So the top number will be a times c. And then we're going to find the PQ. So this PQ times together, you will get AC, and sum them together to get B. And then we're gonna rewrite the original expression as ax squared plus px plus qx plus c, and pull out the GCF of a times x squared plus px. Pull out the GCF of qx plus c, then factor out the GCF of the expression. So let's see an example over here. For 6x squared plus 5x plus minus 4. This is the standard form, so we're gonna pull out the ABC value. So the A value, it is the coefficient of x squared, which is 6. B, it is the coefficient of x, 5. C, it is the coefficient of the constant. So this is not a coefficient, this is a constant, which is negative 4. And we're gonna draw the cross over here. A times C will be negative 24. B is just 5, so we're going to factor out 24. Think about 1 times negative 1 times 24 over here. It is negative 24, but add them up, it is 23. So we're gonna move for the next group. Negative 2 times 12, we get negative 24. Add them together, it is 10. So we're gonna move to negative 3 with 8. We times them together, we get 24, but add them together, we get 5. So this is the PQ value I want to find. Then we're going to rewrite my 5x to be negative 3x plus 8x. So 6x squared, I'm gonna minus 3x plus 8x, and then minus 4 here. I'm gonna group the first two terms and group the last two terms. So in this case, I have 3x, because this is the greatest common factor in between 6x squared and 3x. And I factor out this 3x, then I'm gonna figure out 6x squared divided by 3x. The leftover is 2x. 3x divided by 3x, that's 1. Then for 8x and 4, I can factor out a 4. 8x divided by 4, you got 2x minus 1. See over here, I have another common factor again, so I can factor that out. So I got 2x minus 1. The rest over here, I can just add them up. So I'm gonna times 3x plus 4. And this is my answer. I'm going to show you another example, which is example 2. So the A value over here is 6, B value it is 41, C value it is 63. The top will be 378, bottom will be 41. My 2 value here, PQ value will be 14 and 27. So I'm gonna rewrite my equation over here to be 6c squared plus 14c plus 27 plus 63. Then we're gonna factor out over here 6c squared with 14c. I can factor out the 2c over here. 3c plus 7. And we will factor out a 9 for 27c and 63. We will get 3c plus 7. And I got a common factor here for 3c plus 7, and I added 2c with the 9 together and times them out, and this is my value. This is my answer. And I hope you have time to give it a try for question 3 and question 4 by yourself, and I will see you in the next video.